Whatever I need to. Okay. This is a model of the steam engine that's used in the trains. This right here is representative of the boiler. So this would be filled with water. This underneath would heat it. The green tubes represent where the steam travels through. And this right here is the lever that changes the steam from one tube to the next. Now, I'm going to go ahead and turn it by hand, since obviously the steam won't build up through this device. But this will give you an understanding of what it looks like for a motor to turn on steam power. Every time that one of these cylinders goes up to the top, it switches the switch and allows the steam to go through this, which would then force the cylinder down. And that downward force would push down right here on the camshaft. And then when that pushes down, this next one would be lifted up. And once it hits the switch, then it would open up the valve on the two on the side and would push those to the bottom, allowing the middle one to lift up. This shows a couple of things. This shows the force needed. It shows the conversion of energy from wood and fire and water into steam power and pressure. Also, this mechanism right here is what allowed the settlers in the West to travel and carry large quantities of supplies and equipment. It also allowed them to move all of the cattle back and forth from the west to the east coast. This also changed the environment because it went from huge ranches with cows to smaller ranches that had lots of cows close to where the train stations were. It also changed the amount of furs that could be shipped through the buffalo. So through this invention right here, which allowed for a transfer of energy, they were able to utilize this energy and put it into a machine that allowed them to move and change the whole environment around them. Thank you.